If you want to cancel your AliExpress free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you do it correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the AliExpress website or app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access your membership settings. Navigate to your account settings. Look for the section related to membership or subscriptions, where you can find details about your free trial. Step 3. Find the free trial option. In the membership settings, locate the option for your free trial. This section will provide information about the trial period and cancellation options. Step 4. Select Cancel Trial. Click on the Cancel option for your free trial. You may be prompted to confirm your decision, so ensure you follow any additional instructions provided. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, check for a confirmation message or email indicating that your free trial has been successfully cancelled. This step is important to ensure that you won't be charged once the trial period ends. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your AliExpress free trial. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.